Hey guys, it's Danica and today I'm going to be doing a vinyl unboxing. So Vnyl is a subscription service where you tell them what music you like and they will send you vinyl records according to your taste. They will suggest new music to you, or you can tell them like what records you have been searching for and they can send them to you. So it's all curated. I have no clue what is in this package. They did reach out to me and ask me to do this video. So what I did was fill out my profile and tell them what music tastes I like. I named some artists that I am really big fans of, some albums that I love from start to finish, and then I also told them what music I didn't like and some genres that I absolutely cannot stand. So all of those factors are taken into consideration when someone is making your package to send out to you. So enough talking, let's just get into what's inside. Ooh, okay, I see 3 records, and so this is the first thing that I see. It's just this little paper insert, and I think these are the type of playlist or the vibes that you can choose from for this month. And when I was creating my profile, I picked the Rihanna one, but there are so many other ones here. There's Rihanna, Death Cab for Cutie, Panic at the Disco, Tom Petty, the XX. So this is a cute little artwork that you can collect. Oh my god, Panic at the Disco, Pray for the Wicked. This is their new album. Oh my god, I am such a big Panic at the Disco fan, so I am so excited to have this. I do have Pretty Odd, A Fever You Can't Sweat Out, and Death of a Bachelor, so this fits perfectly in my collection. So I have listened to the singles that are out already, like Silver Lining and Say Amen, but I can't wait to listen to the rest of this. And like most vinyl copies, they offer a digital download of this, but I'm probably gonna buy it on iTunes anyway, so yeah. So let's get into opening the actual vinyl. There is a plastic seal on it, so you know that all the vinyls that you're getting are brand new. Ooh. Okay, so it is this kind of matte finish, and then you just have the album artwork, and then you can open it up. Oh my god, that's so cool. I've never seen any of this artwork before, so this is all kind of new to me. So this is all the song credits, and then it says right here, I think it's just funny, it says Panic at the Disco is Brendan Urie. Like we didn't already know. This is a 1-disc vinyl, so I'm going to take it out so we can look at it. So the sleeve is decorated. Let's see. It has the album dedication, and it says this album is dedicated to you, the fans, and then it goes a little bit more into it. And then on this side, you have all of the lyrics. So now getting into the actual vinyl. Ooh. Ooh. Awesome. So it's just a standard black vinyl. Feels pretty good, like pretty weighty. So this side is white and then this side is black. And so I haven't listened to any of these songs except for the singles that have been released, but just off the song titles, I know I'm going to like Roaring 20s and Dying in LA. I love Panic's last album, Death of a Bachelor, because there were so many songs about living in LA, so I know I'm going to like this one because I love Brendan Urie's perspective about the city and how he writes about it and his experiences. So this was the first vinyl that was included, and I have 2 more that I'm going to show you. So the second vinyl is Almost Real by Dylan Gardner. I think this person has come up on my Spotify like a few times, but I've never really listened to his music like willingly, but now that I have his vinyl, I will. It's a pretty cool artwork. It's like him on the guitar, and then this is the back with all of the track listing. So I think this is a fairly new record. It came out in 2018. I'm excited to listen to it. So now I'm going to open it and let's see what it looks like. So this is the record sleeve. Love all the little artworks here. Oh my god, it's red. This is so pretty. Okay, now I'm definitely going to get so many listens out of this because I love colored vinyl. I have so many in my collection and this is going to fit perfectly. I did not expect at all for this to be a colored vinyl. I kind of just was assuming that everything would be standard black, but now I'm so excited to listen to this and learn the artist. I just from like, I know you're not supposed to judge a book or like an album by its cover, but I feel like I will really like the vibes of this album, so I cannot wait to listen to this. Okay, and then the last album that they sent me is Rihanna. Oh my god, I love this album. Makes me really nostalgic because it reminds me of summer camp, and my camp like group and I would always listen to this album and we'd sing it all the time. There's not like a bad song off this album. I remember buying it off iTunes when like I had my iPod, so this is kind of so fun to have like a nostalgic album with these two newer albums in the package. Okay, so let's open this up. Awesome. Okay, so it's not like a booklet vinyl, but I don't care because I love Rihanna. Okay, so this is the insert that comes with it. It's just all of the writing credits. And then this is the vinyl itself. Ooh, it's a 2-disc vinyl. I was going to say this is like super heavy. So this is record one side is black and the other is this pretty blue color. So since this album is already out, I know basically every song on this, but if you're not familiar with this album, you'll definitely recognize Umbrella, I Hate That I Love You, and Shut Up and Drive. Gotta get my body moving, shake the stress away. I wasn't looking for nobody when you look my way. I said, well, candidate. So that is everything that was sent to me by Vnyl in this month's box. I'm so happy with what they sent because it's a mix of everything. So I have an album that I'm super familiar with and an album that kind of gives me a lot of nostalgia and I know all the songs already. And then an album that is brand new that I cannot wait to listen to by an artist that I love. So they already know that I've been collecting all the Panic at the Disco albums, so they know that it fits perfectly well with my collection. And yeah, I can't believe I get my hands on it so quickly. I've never gotten an album on vinyl so quickly before once it's been released, so this is such a new feeling to me. Then I have this record by an artist that I don't really listen to, but I really trust the people at Vnyl to take into my personal music choices into consideration when sending me this, because I did say that I liked colored vinyls, and based off of these two artists, I feel like it's going to be more in like the pop alternative route because those were the genres that I picked. So I can't wait to listen to this album and discover Dylan Gardner. Along with the records, they sent this little sticker, #Vnyl, and this other set of stickers. So cute. And then it came with a personalized note, which it says, "Hey Danica, I know you're a fan. I'm so excited to send you Panic at the Disco's brand new album. Coming off his run on Broadway, this feels like a well-deserved victory lap for Brendan Urie. Next, I'm pairing that with this Uber record from an alt pop sweetheart Dylan Gardner. Finally, for those Camila Cabello, Ariana Grande vibes, I got you Rihanna's Good Girl Gone Bad featuring the fan fave Umbrella, instant classic, spin on Levi." And this is all handwritten, so thank you Levi for sending this to me. I did say in my little profile that I do like alt and pop, so I'm guessing that's why they sent Dylan Gardner. And I did say that Camila Cabello and Ariana Grande were vinyls that I did want to collect, so that's the reason they sent over Rihanna. So if you want to check out Vnyl, I'll have the information down below and a link where you can sign up, fill out your profile, and then see what vinyls you're into. They also have a standalone store, so if you'd like to just buy one vinyl, I think they have special deals on new releases. I know I saw the Church's album on there, and I think Father John Misty, so you could definitely check out those records. So thanks again for watching. I will have my other record or music related videos in a playlist down below so you can check them out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My handle is Danica Del Rey. It's the same as this channel, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!